Hello and welcome to Amethyst Star Crafting. My name is Jane Ormark and I'm a UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. And today we're looking at Awesome Otters. Really love this set. It's so sweet. It's a celebration set, which means that you can get it absolutely free for a qualifying order. So if you go down below, you'll see there's a shop button. If you go through to my shop, and you place an order of £45 or over, you can get the Awesome Otters absolutely free. So it's a lovely set. We've only got a couple of weeks to go, so I thought that I would do something with this set, and something which is a bit of fun and very easy and simple to do, because I want to do a couple of, quick and simple cards. But we're going to be using all three of the images just for a little bit of a change. So we're going to be using this one, and I'm going to try and put them all onto blocks so it's going to be easier to do. Then we're going to be using the little watery guy. Let's see if I can get him onto a block. Maybe just with a bit of luck. And I've got this one, which is the swimming one, and I'm going to put him on a block as well. And I'm only doing that because then it saves a bit of time in the stamping, because we're going to create our own designer series paper background, and this really is about to colour or not to colour, so black and white or colour. Now I know quite a few of you don't like colouring, and if there's a stamp where there's a lot of colouring in, you don't tend to want it, and I can understand that, but we're going to do this and we're not going to do any colouring in there at all. So we're going to have this little guy up in here at the top. So that's one. Then we're going to have the long one, so the one that's swimming. And we're going to put him here. And again, quite near to the top. Then we're going to have the little one in the water, and we'll have him here. So we'll have part of his face showing, and then we'll put him in on the other side here. I can go just a little bit up there, like that. Then we'll have this one down, and we'll have that the opposite side. So I'm creating it, but I'm not doing all of the images off, so I want some of them to come on. So I'll have this one down on there, and then we'll have this one in the other corner. So I've swapped those two over so that they are on different sides. Okay, so that is our image. I just need to clean those off, and I'll do that in a minute. But if you then take the, now what I've done is I've got a piece of basic black or black cardstock. Let's take that out of the way. So I can put this on here with a black background, and then I have taken the You Are Utterly Awesome, and we can put that in, just in on the centre here, and you've got a really rather lovely, I need to put something underneath because this is a bit grubby. I didn't realise my paper was quite so grubby, but if you put that on there and then put that onto a card, you don't need to do any colouring at all. It just looks lovely in black and white, and I was quite impressed with it in black and white. Now, I have done one because I didn't want it to go on forever, and you've all seen me colouring before. So I've done one which I've done exactly the same patterning, and I've done this with colour on. Now, I looked at that and I thought it looked more of, like a cartoon, when you see the cartoons and things and they're just in black and white. And I think it works. So I'm going to put this over on this side actually, so you can see it just a bit better. So there's two ways of doing it. This, very quick, very simple. Just put it in black and white and have it like that. And there's this one where you can colour it in. I've used blends for this. I did show you another video with the blends, and that's in on the centre. Now, if you don't want it quite as black in there, you can take, so we can take this off of here, and we can just put it onto some coloured cardstock. So if I put this on with blue, you could do it in smoky slate, and then you can put that on there. And again, you have a slightly softer look by just doing a coloured background. You could also do it in bright pink, whatever you want, but you're not colouring in your image. I quite like it that way. You could also then turn the coloured one in and do that on your black and white. So you can see the different way of doing it, so that that pops the blue a bit, that tones down the black a bit. So literally by just changing your background cardstock, doing it very simply, just in black and white, I think it looks lovely, and I would certainly send a card like that, because again, it's quite simple, it's not overly fussy, but it takes all of those images, and it's the Awesome Otter, which is available for the next 2 weeks during celebration. And as I say, down below there is always a link to my shop. You can go across, put an order in of £45 or more, and you can get this one absolutely free. So as always, thank you so much for watching me. Please stay safe and well, please be kind, and look forward to seeing you again. Bye bye.